Hi readers! During this lesson, you are closely reading a poem called Healing Forest, and you're doing activities to help you discover what the theme is or the author's message. And so, a very important part of analyzing any text is being able to cite evidence. This is where you copy a sentence directly out of whatever text you're reading. And so these anchor charts are designed to show you how to do that. When you copy a sentence out of a text, you are taking the author's words. You are doing that for a specific purpose, but it's really important that when you do that, you copy the text exactly and you use quotation marks around it. And so therefore, it is called a direct quote. And as you can see, this anchor chart right here is how to set up a direct quote. So you would begin with one of these stems. The most popular one is according to the text. And so you would start your sentence, your citing evidence sentence, with according to the text, or evidence suggests, or the text states. And then this is where you put in your direct quote. I've provided you with an example. You can take a look right here. This will be in an article that we're going to read this year later on. The direct quote taken out of this particular text says, in 1972, the U.S. government banned DDT. What do you notice about this direct quote? You can see I placed quotation marks around it. This lets others know that these are not my words, but rather the words from another author. And I'm using them specifically for a purpose to make a point. In this case, during this assignment, you're going to be looking for evidence to support whatever theme you think the author is trying to get across to you. Then you're going to do what's called an elaboration statement. This statement basically just explains how your direct quote is connected to the theme. And so here, this says, this is important because the pesticide DDT was the main cause of eagles becoming endangered. An elaboration comes from your head. These are your thoughts. So let me show you another anchor chart right here. These are stems to help you connect the theme or whatever else it is you're analyzing in the text to your thoughts. And you can use any of these. This makes me think, or I'm realizing, this means, this shows that. And so, in a few minutes, you are going to be using these anchor charts to help you complete an evidence and elaboration chart, as well as to figure out the theme of the poem.